Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add logo on Shopify website. Make sure you're logged in here. Then go to the bottom and click Customize. Then you will see here side the header. If you go to the logo, you can now change it. Then go to the left side and click for header. Under the header, you will see the color scheme and the logo. Then you can change the desktop logo position to the top or to the middle. So now you can change any what you want on your logo. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.